If you've ever wondered how to make cosplay gloves, specifically some of the very long full arm ones, this is going to be the tutorial video for you. Today I'm going to show you how to make some Jessica Rabbit cosplay gloves with a purple latexy material. So let's go ahead and jump into it. Using a purple latex, like faux latex fabric that I found at Joann's, and a Yaya Han McCall's pattern again, and you could just make your own glove pattern, it's not that hard, but I'm going to trace those 4 times so I can make 1 pair of gloves. Then I'm going to cut them out. The reason for 4, each glove needs 2 pieces. 2 gloves, 4. Math. We can do this. Then I'm going to line everything up so I can start pinning and sewing. I mostly hand sewed these. I always worry about trying to do the fingers on my sewing machine because it's just like so much turning. I also didn't have any special needles for heavy duty sewing for my machine. That's part of why I did them by hand. You can totally do this on a sewing machine, just make sure you have some heavy duty needles available. But I'm hand sewing these all together, and I am doing it in sections. I start with just like the arm portion, and then I get into the hands because it's a little bit more difficult since you have to maneuver around the fingers. Now you'll notice I was sewing these inside out. Make sure you did that. The last step is going to be hemming that top portion of the glove, and again I did that by hand. But then you can go ahead and turn them instead of being inside out the right way, and you have a finished pair of long purple latex gloves. I'll be so honest with you, turning these inside out was like really difficult. Don't look at me struggling too much. Look at the finished product. Thanks so much for watching this cosplay crafting tutorial. Sorry if it was a bit of a mess. If you want to see what we made actually with the finished cosplay, make sure to check the links in my description and let me know what your crafting questions are in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe so you can see what I'm crafting up next. Bye-bye!